We just wrapped up a in-person one-day workshop for agency owners and district managers that flew in from all across the country to spend one day with us in our agency and go through the Agency Accelerator Bootcamp.
We have another bootcamp coming up very, very soon that you're invited to attend. But for now, check out the highlight reel of the one we just had.
This is the Agency Accelerator Bootcamp. It's gonna be a day packed full of inside strategies, actionable items that you can take home and implement in your own agency.
The investment is a drop in the bucket when you think about and compare it to what it can do for your business and help you systemize and scale your agency and your revenue and what it can do for your team.
The investment's well worth it. Just being here around the people as well and learning it face to face is way better than just watching it on TV or watching it in the insurance lab. The amount of transparency that you get when you're here, just seeing everybody and how they interact and the huddle, it just blows your mind and it really sets the tone for what you can do.
The systems that they have in their agency, the way that they staff their agency, the way that they actually track and report on results and metrics in their agency. There was so much content that I'm taking back. I got pages worth of notes, amazing stuff.
With the systems and what we learned, it's gonna be just phenomenal because it gives us the structure that we needed. We were kind of going blind and even doing that. We're in talks for PC and all that. So I think this is just gonna solidify that. If you want transparency, you want a systematic program, and you just don't know where to go, this is gonna give you that. You come in and literally from start to finish, you're gonna get a blueprint on what to do with your agency. Whether you're starting off brand new or you're trying to redefine yourself, just the blueprint that you get from this and you walk away with it is just amazing.
It's worth every minute and definitely worth every penny.
It was way beyond what I can expect, man. It was great.